Hey guys, welcome back to channel Final Cut Academy. Have you wondered how highlights get moving on video clip like this? So don't worry, in today's tutorial video, I will show you how you can do this using Final Cut Pro. So let's dive in. So first of all, let's open Final Cut Pro app, and then here is a clip. Drag it over here, stretch a bit, and now we'll go to title and generators. Then go to generators. Now to solids. Here it is custom layout. Drag it. Now we'll change the custom color from black to yellow. To do that, we'll go here. Here the color is black. Let's change it to yellow. You can choose any color. Close it. Now go here. The blend mode is normal. Change it to darken. After that, go to scale. And place it wherever you want to move that highlight. After that, go here and click crop. And then drag this to the initial point. After that, place the pointer from where you want the highlight to start. After that, click keyframe over here. Then place the pointer till the point you want to end that highlight. After that, stretch it over here and then press done. Let's check it. Let's play. And bang. So in this way, you can add moving highlights on your video clip. If you really like this video, do hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.